Hi, this is Mike with Stahls TV, and today we're going to take a look at loading a vinyl roll into your Graphtec CE6000. What we're going to do is going to go ahead and step in the back to load this material in the roll holder. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pull up some material here and just load it in from the back. Don't really worry so much about position right now, because when we go up front, we'll make all the final adjustments. So we'll come back up front, and you'll notice these blue little lines across the cutter, and what that indicates is where these pinch rollers have to be in order for the cutter to feed the material properly. So we'll go ahead and we'll slide our roll so that we can position the edges underneath those blue areas to maximize our yield of material. Shift the pinch rollers if necessary, and once we have it in place, we're going to do the lever lock and lock those pinch rollers down. Once we have our pinch roller lever locked, you'll see on the home screen now that we have 3 different selections we can choose from. We'll go through each of these here. Step 1 would be the front edge, which if we select that by hitting the number 1, what it will do is measure the width from right to left, but it'll also bring back this leading material so that we don't waste any of that, and we're going to start cutting right at the top of our material. And let's look at step 2. And what step 2 would do, you select that, it's only going to measure from right to left. So if there was any of the material that we had initially down here, it wouldn't cut that there unless you fed it back. And the option 3, which was sheet, which if we had a scrap piece of material, let's say 8.5 by 11 size, if we had a sheet loaded in there, it would go ahead and feed it back and measure that 8.5 by 11 area to give you your cuttable space. And those are your options and the proper way to load your material.